electrons that travel through the circuits of common electronic devices have a property called electron spin, and that electron spin is really the basis for magnetism. But in electronic devices, that electron spin is an untapped resource. And so Spintronics is the science and technology whereby that magnetism is harnessed and used to improve device performance. Our Center for Molecular Spintronics is comprised of chemists, physicists, and engineers from NC State and UNC Chapel Hill who are focusing on molecular systems wherein we can control the manipulation and transport of spins in new types of electronic devices. With molecular systems, chemists can fine-tune the properties so that the spins can be placed where we want them to be placed and aligned the way we want to align them. Our center is really taking on an important challenge that defines a new frontier in molecular spintronics. We're designing molecule-based systems whereby we can control the spins with light, visible light, by changing pressures applied to the sample or by changing the temperature of the device to alter the orientation of the spins in the molecules that comprise the device. Spintronics can result in electronic devices that are faster, consume less energy, turn on faster, and just provide better overall performance than existing technologies. This type of research is absolutely necessary to keep the electronics industry growing further down the road.
The center here at NC State has really enhanced my research. I've been able to work with faculty advisors from here and UNC, been able to go work in the labs and really expand my toolbox and enhance my knowledge in chemistry.
There's actually 60 different carbon atoms in a buckyball.
The center has sponsored a whole array of educational outreach activities, from working with young children, elementary children, all the way through people who are retired. These experiences have included working with family science programs at the younger grades, engaging middle and high school students in Nano Days experiences. So that's been a great success. We've had our center researchers giving talks to the public through things like science cafes and the Science Expo at the Moorhead Planetarium. We've offered through our center a brand new course for undergraduate and graduate students on molecular spintronics, taught by an interdisciplinary group of faculty that gives them a chance to really think about this new and exciting frontier of science and to think of integrated ways that people can bring ideas from different disciplines together to have some real serious breakthroughs, we hope, as we move forward in new developments in computing through molecular spintronics.
In the next 10 to 15 years, we hope that our Center for Molecular Spintronics will have brought spintronics technology to the point where existing molecular electronics is today. So I think everyone has heard of LED televisions. The LEDs that are in television displays are actually organic molecules that respond to electric fields, and that technology was really just beginning 20 years ago. So we would be very pleased if the research in our center could meet or exceed that pace of discovery.